You can use File History to back up your personal files. It saves several versions of those files, so if you need to, you can always go back to a previous one. To look for those files, on the Start screen, enter File History, and then tap or click Restore your files with File History. Browse through the folders to find the file you want, and then tap or click to open a preview. Now, use the Previous and Next buttons to move through the timeline, which shows you the different versions of that file. When you find the version you want, you can then overwrite the newer file with this backed up version, or save it to another location. To overwrite the newer file, tap or click the Restore button. Then choose Replace the file in the destination. If you want to save your backed up version somewhere else, right-click or press and hold the Restore button and tap or click Restore to. Find the folder you want and tap or click Select Folder. Your restored file will be saved in that folder.